wouldn't fire. I think what he meant was it just wouldn't run. We tested the spark plug and it's got fire. And the air filter was in extremely rough shape. That was the air filter. So took the carb apart. Jets completely clogged, really not even worth cleaning. When you get a bike that's set for a long time, you get jets clogged up like that, you might chase your tail forever trying to clean them. So we just got some new ones here. Here's our main jet. Looks like that's a 102. And then we got a pilot jet and a new bowl gasket down here. So we should be good to go. I'm gonna spray it out some more, try to get all the gunk out of the bowl. Yeah. That is nice and gross. So we don't care. Normally we would be a little more careful about that because we wouldn't want to mess up the bowl gasket, because brake cleaner will make it swell. But we don't care about this one because we have a new one. So I'm going to let that brake cleaner just kind of set in there a little bit and break down some of that crud. There is a lot of crud. Okay. Now, let's throw the pilot jet in here. You just put your pilot jet in with a little flathead. You can see. The pilot jet goes in that hole right there. And this one is a 42S, it looks like. There we go. Doesn't have to be super tight. Try not to be crazy. Now, here's our main jet. It's still attached to the jet holder. So I'm going to have to get that apart. There's the old pilot jet. Yep, 42S, so we got the right one. I had this thing running on ether. You just shoot ether straight through the carb, it would run fine. So we know that there's no motor problems. More than likely it's just a carburetor issue. And go over here to the vise and get this baby apart. Like I said, it shouldn't take much. Make sure it's all clean inside. These jet holders are really big holes, so it would take a lot to clog them up. Now, we just screw our jet onto our jet holder. And now we need, I believe it's a 6mm socket, maybe 5 or 6 for this. Yes, it's a 6. Oh. Like I said, not super tight. This doesn't seem right. Okay, that should do it. Try to get this thing cleaned out. If you don't get this bowl pretty well cleaned out, then some of this stuff will eventually break loose and clog up your jets. So, grab a little rag, try to get this bowl cleaned out. Got my old bowl gasket off. I'm going to put the new bowl gasket on. Got my screws here. Need a tiny, smaller Phillips. Ooh, stay on there. Stay on there, you. Now these bowl screws do not need to be as super tight as you might think. They get stuck in there pretty easy. Make life a little easier on the next guy. The worst thing that's going to happen is it would leak a little when you tighten them some more. But that's highly unlikely. Just snug them up. Find it. There we go. There. Now all we have to do is put the carb back on the head. Put some fresh gas in it. Let's see what it's gonna do. Luckily, this is one of the easier bikes to get the carb on and off of. Okay, come on. Don't lose your seat. Okay. It's not in there.